Welcome, in front of me I have ACER Iconia One 10, and today I will show you how you can download iPhone keyboard on this device. So at first you have to open the Play Store and tap on the search pool, just like that, click and tap green Apple keyboard. Yeah, we have to get this application. Let's install. Right now let's open. Unfortunately it doesn't support the landscape mode, so we have to be in the portrait. Click to enable in the settings, then click on the switcher, tap OK, tap here, go to switch input methods and switch to green Apple keyboard, then tap to finish. And right now when we go back and open our keyboard, for example, let's open the settings and let's tap on the search pool. As you can see, our keyboard has changed. It looks almost identical like on the iPhone, and we got also here the emojis. So that's all, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.